Guys, welcome back. We are looking at the daily math week 20, questions 13 through 16. We are on page 16. So we're rolling this one all the way back to lines of symmetry. Please remember that lines of symmetry are the lines where one side looks the same as the other. So when we are looking at lines of symmetry, we take our color or our pencil and we start by making it a dashed line. Now, if I look on this side compared to this side, are they the same? Yes. We've turned this hexagon into two trapezoids. So this is a line of symmetry. I can make it solid. Let's try our next line of symmetry. Remember, we'd go diagonal, horizontal, and vertical. So if I look on either side of my dashed line, it makes two trapezoids. It is a line of symmetry. Next, we go vertical. They look the same on both sides. The line of symmetry. And we go horizontal. They form two trapezoids on either side. We now have four lines of symmetry. Right? Let's move on with our next shape. I think instead I'm going to do different colors for the different, we can go vertical, horizontal, and diagonal. And I'm going to use different colors to help see things a little more clearly. So let's go vertical. Does this side and this side look the same? Yes. Great. Horizontal. Start off with it being dashed. Does this side and this side look the same? Yes. Fantastic. Let's go diagonal. Does this side and this side look the same? No. Okay, so we're going to leave that one dashed. All right, let's try this side. Does this side and this side look the same? No. So on this shape, we only have two lines of symmetry. All right, let's try our rectangle. Go vertical. Do these two sides look the same? They sure do. Great. All right, let's go horizontal. Do these two sides look the same? Yes. Okay, let's go diagonally. Do these two sides look the same? No. Remember, when we're doing lines of symmetry, if we would have had a square, it would have had diagonal lines. However, since we have a rectangle, we only have two lines of symmetry. Okay, let's look at number 14. It says two adjacent angles, two angles that are next to each other. That's what adjacent means, next to each other. Form a right angle. How much is a right angle worth? Should be worth 90 degrees. If one angle measures 38 degrees, what is the measure of the other? Okay. So I'm going to draw it because it helps my brain. Got a 90-degree angle that they said that one angle is 38. And we're looking for this one. So if I know that something plus 38 is going to equal 90, how could I find that missing piece? Well, I'm going to take my total 90 and I'm going to subtract 38. All right, so I have 0 minus 8. I can't do that. 10 minus 8 is 2. 8 minus 3 is 5. Our angle is 52 degrees. And please make sure you're circling your answer and labeling it, so then that way we know where we can find it. Okay, next one says two adjacent, remember next to, two angles that are next to each other form a straight angle. Guys, a straight angle is just a line, right? A straight angle looks like this. And how much is that angle worth? 180 degrees. If one angle measures 76 degrees, what is the measure of the other? Well, straight angle looks like this. And they said that one of these angles is 76 degrees. Okay, so something plus 76 is equal to 180. So again, I'm going to do like I did up at the top, and I'm going to say 180 minus 76, because that's what we know. And we're going to find our missing piece. So 0 minus 6, you can't do, you have to borrow. 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 7 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So it is 104-degree angle. Number 15. Which of the following fractions is not equivalent to 2/5? Oh my goodness. So we're looking for equivalent fractions. So let's make an equivalent fraction table, an EFT. Okay. Remember, we're doing our numerator and denominator multiplied by our place. So I'm moving to the second place. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 3 is 15. I'm going to go all the way out to 5 before I even look at my answer choices. 2 times 4 is 8. 5 times 4 is 20. 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 5 is 25. Now, we're looking for something not equivalent. So if our answer choice is on this table, it's out. 6/15. Have it here. That's out. 8/25. No, I have 8/20, but not 8/25. 4/10. It's there. 10/25. It's there. The one that is not equivalent is B. Number 16. Candace bought 5 rolls of black duct tape and some rolls of red duct tape. The total cost of the rolls of tape is $44. Each roll costs $4. How many rolls of red duct tape could she have purchased? How many rolls of red duct tape did Candace buy? So we know the total cost, we know the each cost, and we know something that she's bought so far. It's a word problem, so we need to make a window pane. There's a hidden question here, which means this is a 2-part problem. Our hidden question would be how much did she spend on, how much did she spend on black duct tape, right? Well, okay, let's do a picture. I've got 5 rolls that cost $4 a piece. Right? If I'm trying to do this, it's a repeated addition. So I'm going to say 4 times 5 is $20. So she spent $20 on black duct tape. Okay. How much did she have left for red duct tape? Well, second question. How much money for red tape? Right? Okay, so that's part 1. This is part 2. Well, if I had, I have $44. I spend 20 of it on black tape. What do I have left? That's what? Subtraction, right? My total minus what I spent. I have $24 for red tape. Now it's actually a 3-part problem. So, third step, how many rolls of red tape can I get? Okay, so I have $24, right? And each red tape, red 1, red 2, dot, dot, dot. I don't know how many reds I can get, but I know that each one is going to cost me $4, right? Hey, we've seen that strip diagram before. Actually going to be what? Division, right? We're going to say, okay, I have $24 and I'm dividing it by $4 to find out how much I have left. All right. Can I use, use my strategy? Got a tens place and a ones place. So use my T-chart. If I have 10 groups of 4, well, that's $40. Too much. I can't buy 10 rolls. So let's see. Let's try with our ones. 1 roll of $4 is going to cost me $4. All right. 2 rolls at $4, 8. 3 rolls, 12. 4 rolls, 16. 5 rolls, 20. 6 rolls, 24. 7 rolls, 28. Too much. I only have $24, so I can only get 6 rolls, right? Our answer's right up here. 6 rolls. All right. That's going to be problems 13 through 16.